This car just became legal to import in the United States. And Americans been waiting 25 years to get hands on one. But I already own one. And this is my Honda Civic Type R. And today I will show you why people in the United States are obsessed with this thing. Don't mind my dog, he's enjoying the sun. See, he good, he's only 12 years old. Alright, let's take this thing for a drive and let me show you what makes the EP3 special. So if you know anything about the Type R badge, Honda does not mess around. Lightweight, high revving engines, up to 8,000 RPM, manual gearbox. Yes, but the EP3 is kind of a weird one, because Americans, they could not import it, and now it's the time they're getting their hands on one. It does not like potholes very much. So here it is, the Civic EP3 Type R. So first thing that you notice, this thing does not look anything aggressive. No massive wings, no body kits, it's just a small hatchback. When it comes to interior, it's a very simple. You can see that shifter is right up here. It's a kind of weird at first, but once you get used to it, it's much better to have it up here instead of down there, if you know what I mean.
Nice.
Damn, I love this car. So why all of a sudden people in the United States like this car? So because there is a 25-year import rule. Once a car turns 25 years old, legally imported, which means this car starting to be available.
I'm American. I think I'll use my credit card.
So the best thing I loved about this car is the steering, how well it steers. When you want to go in a corner, and when you see the curvature of the road, you just pinpoint the wheel and the car goes there. That's why these cars, many of them are used for racing. And most of them are winning because of the steering that this car has. It has electronic steering. In a full stop, you cannot feel the electronic steering, the wheel goes harder. So when you take this car on a track, you only care about the throttle, the gearbox, and the handling. No electronics at all, except you want to change some radio, you have some over here, and a horn. So we need to take a right, second and go. Push it, third. Woo! There's two, hold it. The camera mount detached, so you're just hanging like this. Camera points where he wants to point. And this car has a 2-liter K20 engine, which in 2026, it does not sound impressive. Oh my God, so sunny. Which revs, Jesus Christ, which revs up to 8,000 RPM. And plus, it has a launch control. Even the EP3 is not perfect. Some people are complaining about the torque steer. So when you slam on the gas and you do a full rotation of the wheel, there is a torque steer. So the car wants to go a little bit to the left if you're turning right. But honestly, who cares? It's a part of the character. And that's why Americans trying to import the EP3, because cars like this are not built anymore with engines like this and performance. So the big question is, should Americans import the EP3 in their country, either from Japan or from Europe? Oh my God. While filming this video, talking about the EP3, remove the GoPro from the stand. Boom! Datsun? What? Here? Look at that. First knee. 280Z Datsun. Look, he even got the how do you call it, for the roof racks. Look, it's in immaculate condition. Back to the video. First time seeing one in person, by the way. So the big question is, should Americans import the EP3 Type R in their country? And their answer is of course yes. If you want something lightweight with a lot of steering control, with high revving engine, which internals I believe there can handle some boost, then you should consider the EP3 to be imported. Thanks so much for watching, smash that subscribe button, and in the next video a new car would arrive to the channel. So yes, it's gonna be a wild ride for the Nissan 350Z, which is already in my yard. See you into the next video.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute.